Hello everyone, welcome to Authentically Free. I'm so excited that you are here to join me. Today we're going to tackle the topic of a survival kit for social distancing. So get your pen, get your paper, and write some notes on how you can have your own survival kit for social distancing. Who would have thought we would need one? Well, guess what? Today is your day. 5 strategies, tips, to help keep you sustained while social distancing, all right? But before we get started, I'm gonna pause this video and I need you to subscribe to Authentically Free. Subscribe, join the family. What are you waiting for? You're about to get authentic, motivated, inspiring tips, strategies to help enhance the betterness of your life. All right, back to the topic. Social distancing survival kit. 5 tips for you guys. Number 1, stay connected. Yes, you are not in this alone. I'm with you, but most importantly, I'm sure you have some families and friends that you would love to stay connected to. Shoot, you might as well connect to that great aunt that you haven't even talked to for a while. This is the perfect time to hit her up, all right? The cool thing is we live in a world of technology is booming and growing, right? So do a video chat. Google some good old streamlines that are willing to help you to connect face-to-face. There's Zoom, there's Google Hangouts, there's so much more that they're developing to help you stay connected. Important for your emotional health to stay connected. We were born to connect to others, all right? So don't hesitate, even download an app that will help you to be able to even connect to your friends, like Pictionary. They have Apples to Apples, so many other cool things to help you to have fun while staying connected. Number two, get some air. Wow. If you look at this, we are practicing social distancing during the spring. How amazing is that? Get outside, exercise, walk. Just you. If you're gonna kick it with someone else, abide by the rules. 6 feet apart, right? If you are able to go outside, get some fresh air. It'll clear your heart, your mind, your emotions, and everything else in between. Number 3, eat healthy. Yes, y'all. We have to make sure we eat healthy by taking care of our bodies, right? We want to be able to leave social distancing healthy, okay? Not swelled up, right? We want to leave healthy, having new health strategies that we have implemented during this time so then we can even push into when this whole situation is over. So break out those new recipes, Google some new recipes, eat consistently. You know what? Find that cool workout video that you haven't used for a while. YouTube workout videos. Come on, y'all. We got to stay fit. Be creative. This is your time to get those creative juices flowing. What is something that you've always wanted to do but say, I don't have the time to do? Well, guess what? Do it now. The time is now. It could be bringing back some of those old things that you used to like. But then also embrace the new. Did you ever want to do puzzles? Did you ever want to try to make a YouTube video? Do what you have to do now. Number 5, reach out. If you are truly struggling because you are in the house, you're struggling with thoughts of depression, anxiety, feeling alone, reach out to a mental health provider that is there to help you, all right? Especially during this important time. Don't be ashamed, don't be ashamed that you are experiencing these feelings and emotions. But if you need family and friends to check on you, you want to reach out to someone else, make sure you check on those who are close to you. Well, those are all the tips I have helpful. If you have any more that you want to add to the list, please share below because you're going to just subscribe. I know you're going to subscribe. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? Share the wealth of knowledge of what you would have. What would you add to this survival kit list? All right, y'all. Till next time. Bye.